Hi everyone, welcome to ABC channel. Let's learn the ABC of the world. With the development of science and technology, it is not difficult to see the progress of artificial intelligence. They not only occupy people's positions in most professional fields, but also in assisting people in their daily lives. The question is, will humans who rely too much on artificial intelligence be replaced one day? In the entertainment industry on the market today, we can also find that the topic of movies about human beings and intelligence is increasingly popular. All of which reflect a problem: artificial intelligence poses a threat to human existence, and may even destroy human beings in the future. Is this the case? If the situation is so dire, what can be done to prevent it? In fact, not only some scientists have discovered this problem. Even the famous British theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking put forward the idea of the artificial intelligence threat in September 2015. Hawking has made no secret of his concern that artificial intelligence could one day take over the power. According to the veteran who has worked with AI for many years, he believes that the core concept of AI is computing technology, which aims to make machines forward-looking, mimic and eventually surpass human thought processes. What worries him most is that, in extreme cases, AI might establish its thinking patterns and let them take off. In other words, the AI may tamper with the system itself, design independently, and build more powerful systems. This would far outstrip the slow pace of human evolution. Since the beginning of human civilization, there have been groups with a better ability to survive. In the future, AI may evolve into this category, and destroy humanity through nuclear or biological warfare. Are humans really in such danger right now? No, there is no imminent threat to humanity from today's AI intelligence technology. So Hawking has repeatedly called for more research into the benefits and dangers of artificial intelligence. He believes that even non-superhuman AI systems could help end war, poverty, and disease. Only better information can prevent all tragedies. At the same time, he offers suggestions specifically for how to deal with the threat posed by artificial intelligence. That humans should form a world government to guard against the threat posed by artificial intelligence. Although Hawking has repeatedly stressed that human beings must always pay attention to the threat and consequences of the evolution of AI intelligence, not all scientists hold pessimistic views on AI artificial intelligence. Rollo Carpenter, the inventor of Cleverbot, believes that human beings can understand and control the potential of AI and technology for a long time, and use it to help humans solve most of the world's problems. He argues that we should not think too negatively, because we do not yet know whether the consequences of surpassing human intelligence are truly tragic. It is also possible that humanity will benefit. But for now, has AI intelligence caused some negative effects on human beings? The answer is yes. That's because the advance of AI has increased human unemployment, especially as factory automation displaces traditional manufacturing workers. Such effects could extend job losses even to the middle class. Hawking also predicts that in the future only a few jobs, such as nursing, innovation and supervision, will be left to humans. Is this fear misplaced? Not really. What we have to take into account is that most of the people living in this world are ordinary people. Not everyone has the skills or ability to handle high-tech jobs. And these bottom jobs are mostly unskilled labor jobs. Most people do mechanical tasks day in and day out. Then, there is a high chance that this kind of work will be replaced by artificial intelligence in the future. In the long run, employing AI may cost less than paying workers regularly every month. In addition, AI artificial intelligence, as long as it is set up, will hardly make mistakes, because they are machines. But people make mistakes. With these two considerations in mind, many bosses may be tempted to replace workers with machines. Professor Stuart Russell, of the University of California, Berkeley, takes a different view of Hawking's claim that intelligence will evolve automatically. He doesn't think it's the robot's self-awareness that eventually rebelled against humans. He believes that because AI's ability has become super strong, human negligence leads to the setting of the wrong target, unintentionally eradicating humans. What people should focus on, he emphasizes, are the superpowers that come with AI features. So, what is the error caused by human negligence in the passage? As an example, he said, suppose we invented an artificial intelligence system that could control climate change and restore carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere to previous levels. The AI will then calculate the fastest and easiest solution. The simplest way, it turns out, is to eliminate humans, the main source of carbon dioxide. Will artificial intelligence destroy humanity? Not necessarily. But the fear is that they may indoctrinate humans in different channels to reduce fertility, thereby reducing human existence to extinction. In addition, he also cited another example that humans should pay attention to, AlphaGo Zero. This is DeepMind's Go program. The most amazing thing is that the AI started learning from the blank state without any human input, and beat its predecessors in just 3 days with a score of 100:0. Some people have asked whether humans can beat AlphaGo Zero, but the answer is no. At the current level of human beings, it is almost impossible to beat the best level of computers. What makes this AI so compelling? The key is the use of reinforcement learning. The AI has to learn from its own experience. In this way, knowledge is gained in an action evaluation environment and action programs are adapted to the environment. It has to be said that this evolution is really beyond human ability and needs to be taken seriously. In general, has AI technology surpassed humans? AI has indeed surpassed human beings in some fields, but in most fields, AI technology is worse than human beings. For example, in fields such as computer vision, speech recognition and Go, artificial intelligence has surpassed human technology. In computer vision, some AI systems are already better at image recognition than humans. The same goes for speech recognition. In Go, artificial intelligence systems like AlphaGo have gained the strength of world champions. However, in most fields, AI is not as skilled as humans. For example, AI is currently less capable than humans at thinking, making decisions, learning and adapting to new environments. AI is also unable to reason, analyze, judge and solve problems in a variety of different situations like humans. Therefore, whether human beings will be replaced by artificial intelligence in the future is still a controversial issue. It depends on how AI develops and how humans use it. There is a view that AI can assist humans with some tasks, but humans are still the decision makers, and AI still needs to be supervised and maintained by humans. Another view is that artificial intelligence may develop to a point in the future where it is capable of completely replacing humans. However, AI has not reached this level yet. To sum up, whether artificial intelligence will replace human beings or not in the future depends on how artificial intelligence develops and how human beings use it. So that's all for this video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. See you next time.